Oh. What's up guys, and welcome to a new video. I'm so sorry, that was disgusting. Ugh. So for this week we do another drawing again, like we always do, a short time lapse. And for this week I made a very tiny cheetah. Reference picture is here, and the end result, as always, there you go. So if you guys like the time lapse, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. If you don't like it, you can give it a thumbs down, and please subscribe if you want to see some more. So with that being said, let's start again with the time lapse. I really enjoyed it last time doing the voiceover without any video, so if you guys don't mind, we do it again like this, because then we can really focus on what is happening on the screen. So we start with the sketch. I try to form the head with some circles again. So we have one flat oval for the upper part of the head and a smaller one for the nose. Then I try to form the eyes, the nose, the mouth, the ears. Try to emphasize where the spots are going to be for a bit. And then we start with the inking again with the eye, like always. This was a tricky eye to draw. I've been changing it a bit on the go as well, and even when I finished the drawing I added some extra spots, I have to admit. Then the nose, and it's a bit shiny, so the nose is not like fully black, it has a bit of white on there as well, so we try to emphasize that as well. And then the mouth, it's looking a bit sad. And try to emphasize the snorings already a little bit. And make sure that the front part of the mouth is a bit lighter. And we're going to continue with the outlines of the head, and in between I'm going to add in some more fun facts like always. And of course we all know that cheetahs are super fast. Just for the record, 17 miles an hour. It is approximately 112 kilometers an hour. And what also could be very nice to know is that approximately cheetahs have around 2000 to 3000 spots. And of course they have a function to hide themselves. Now that we finished the head, more or less the left side, I would say, we're going to continue with the spots. I just point out with a lot of dots next to each other the black spots of the cheetah. Now when we start to fill things up, it always looks like some of these marks will disappear a bit, so we can make those dots even darker if we want as we go. So it's actually pretty hard to find you guys a nice tutorial from someone else on how to draw a cheetah. After some searching I found a nice one. It's from the channel Fine Art Tips. The guy who's drawing it, his name is Leonardo, and he uses black paper and a white pencil. And he explains very nicely and slow. So this tutorial is perfectly to follow if you want to. The link will be in the description box down below. And in the meantime, we tend to finish our little cheetah right here. Like the usual, I add my accents until I'm happy. Add some more snores and some more shades. I'm kinda happy with it. This was a cool one to make. I hope you guys liked it too. That's it, that was the drawing. I hope you guys liked it, and if you did, again, give it a thumbs up. If you hated it, give it a thumbs down. Please leave in the comments down below what you want me to draw next. I would love to hear your suggestions. Make sure to subscribe if you did not do that already. Follow me on my social media. Everything will be linked in the description box down below. And I'm looking forward to talk to you guys again next week. Thank you so much for watching, and I wish you all a lovely week ahead. Bye!